Hi everyone, my name is Sai Kumar and I'm the lead content developer at Ramana. So you can become a full stack web and app developer through Ramana. So in this full stack course, this course goes for 22 weeks if it is full time and 35 weeks it is part time, and the career path is humongous. You can become a full stack developer, front end developer, back end engineer, application developer, software engineer, Node.js developer, ReactJS developer, next.js developer, and also a web developer. And you might be wondering who should take this course. Anyone who has interest in full stack development, web development, and application development can take this course. At the same time, if you want to become a full stack developer, if you want to become a backend engineer, or if you want to become JS, be it be React, be it be Next.js developer, then you have to take this course. And anyone who has interest in getting into international companies or top tech companies or freelancing jobs, you have to take this course. And students who have business administration background, management, finance, engineering, ICT, mathematics, statistics, actual sciences, you'll be a very good fit. And you might be wondering, why should you take this course? See, full stack and web development is used by every company. Every company should build apps, every company should build websites. So every company needs you. So full stack developer will be one of the most high demand job in the world. And by 2023, which is this year, we're expecting it to grow by 35%. So 35% more jobs for full stack skill. And tech stack is quite humongous. So we are learning around 30 different technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, Node.js, Express.js, Next.js, PostgreSQL, VS Code, Git, Linux, MongoDB, Python, Flask, GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Amazon Code Whisperer, Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, Amazon Lambda, Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, AWS CloudFormation, Google Compute Engine, Google Cloud Functions, Google Cloud Platform, and Google Cloud Storage. Wow, it's quite big. And what are you going to learn? You're going to learn a lot. First step, getting started with full stack. And after that, how to build a website. And that requires fundamentals of HTML and fundamentals of CSS. And also HTML intermediate, which is like would you create a basic website, and CSS intermediate and advanced. And we'll also teach you AI Copilot. And after building website, you have to know how to host it, like hosting a website. And we'll also teach you how to work with PostgreSQL, which becomes your database. And JavaScript is very important if you want to manage your browser page. So we'll teach you programming with JavaScript, managing browser page with JavaScript, and also package managers on JavaScript. And how do you do material UI? And also how do you build scalable, robust, and dynamic frontend with React.js? And also backend, you need NoSQL database, and one such NoSQL database is MongoDB. Will teach you MongoDB, backend with Node and Express.js, and cloud, Amazon Web Services and GCP. And also how do you do server-side rendering with Next.js? How do you build React Native apps? And also we'll teach you some Python, some data analysis, and some machine learning, and how do you deploy machine learning algorithms in the backend, which is through Flask. And at the end, you'll receive a job-oriented training so that you'll be able to crack interviews with top tech companies and also freelancing companies. And projects, there are many. Let me tell you, there are many. So for example, not for example, let's read through all. Simple onboarding flow, website for a restaurant, creating website for grocery store, website for a restaurant again, but this is responsive. And website for real estate companies, setting up a banking database, EMI interest calculator, how do you build a clock, how do you build a weather app, how will you generate random codes, how to build a hotel booking website, how to build an e-commerce app, playing with JavaScript, setting up an e-commerce database, job search website, building an OTT platform. How do you deploy front-end and back-end to EC2, modifying back-end APIs to Lambda and deploying them into Lambda, deploying front-end and back-end to Compute Engine, modify back-end APIs to functions and deploy them to Cloud Functions, real-time chat apps or chat bots, make a mobile attendance app based on face recognition, and build a chatbot with React and Flask, and build object detection app with React and Flask. So that's quite a lot. So while you're learning full stack, you're also doing AI deployment. That's the importance of this particular course. And all programs at Ramnatic School will use machine learning to guide you. We'll provide job-oriented training, we'll provide career services, and we'll give you real-world projects from industry experts. And program fee is 300,000, but don't worry, there is scholarship up to 80%, which means you can get scholarship up to 240,000 shillings. Don't wait for it. Enroll now, get scholarship, get job oriented training. And also remember, you will be getting 3 months paid internship after completing the course.